Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're starting with Access and the first actionable steps. Log into Seamless HR using your admin account and confirm SSO if your org uses it. Upload the prepared employee CSV now. Map ID, email, start date, and role fields so the system ingests data correctly. Once done, open company settings and set pay schedules, time zone, and payroll provider to prevent mismatches down the line. Make sure permissions are assigned so you can complete the next stages without interruption. You'll configure the core workflows now. Create onboarding sequences with forms, tasks, approvals, and reminder cadences so new hires complete requirements on time. Link payroll and benefits integrations next, and test end-to-end with one sandbox user to verify deductions and benefit codes map correctly. Then define approval chains and role-based permissions so managers receive only relevant requests. Once these pieces are in place, run a small pilot batch to surface any mapping or timing issues before wide rollout. You're completing the process. Run the full import and trigger onboarding for active employees, then monitor activity logs for failed records or validation warnings. Confirm payroll sync by checking paystub visibility for a few sample employees and ensure benefit enrollments appear in provider portals. If something goes wrong, troubleshoot by reviewing CSV field mapping, time zone mismatches, and expired integration tokens. Fix the source and reprocess failed rows. Finally, communicate launch steps to managers and provide a simple help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.